Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Malibu Darby. If it's not your first time watching, welcome back. Today we're doing a little talk through, get ready with me. I'm going to a concert tonight, so I just want to do a little makeup, did a little something different with my hair, and I'm just going to kind of walk you through what my get ready routine is, some old new things that I'm trying again, and just see how we get to this look. So if you're interested in seeing the final look and all the products that I use for my hair and makeup, stay tuned. Okay, I'm gonna start with my hair so that like my edges and everything can marinate, and then we'll get into makeup. So my bun, I'm doing like a bun today. My hair is already kind of like in the shape it kind of needs to be. I usually like slick the middle up more and then I braid that, and then I blow dry and kind of press out the edges a little bit more so it's easier to mold. It just helps so I don't get like that weird hump. But I'm just gonna take some water, I'm gonna spray it, and then I'm just gonna use my flaxseed and black castor eco styler and some edge control and stuff to get like my base so we can move on to the makeup and then come back and finish the bun. So I'm just gonna spray it and start to slick it up. And I don't wet it every time. I just need to get damp a little bit because it was dry. Just making sure it's smooth all the way around, nice and tight, and I think that should be good. Just go around as many times as I can without popping these. Ooh, let me take my ring off. Okay, and I had some little stray hairs bust out, but I'm gonna just slick those suckers down, and when I tie it down, it'll be fine. And I'm using a hair that has some texture, so it's okay if this isn't like perfectly smoothed out. I'm gonna go old school with some Pump It Up spritz, just to hold those hairs down, because I'm going to a concert tonight, and I don't want these hairs moving and getting crazy when I start sweating. Normally I wouldn't use this Pump It Up, because if you know Pump It Up, you know it will get hard on you and get a little crazy. I have some thinning here. I think I'm gonna do a video on kind of what I do for that. It's like hereditary, like my sister, like it's all of us. So I'm just gonna kind of fill in some areas. I've been hesitant to do a video on the product that I use for this, just to kind of full out my hairline some more sometimes, because I don't know. It's kind of a weird thing. I kind of tried it, like not jokingly, but kind of jokingly. But I like the result. So maybe I'll share it. I'm sure there's some other people who could benefit from it too. Let's hit these baby hairs, and then I think it'll be good for the hair part for now. Hey, babe.
Oh, where you at?
Right here.
Oh,
hey. Let me see. Oh, it looks good. Give me a kiss. Okay, so we finished the baby hair. I am just going to take my real hair and wrap this around so we can tie it down, and then I'm just going to pin it in the back, and we'll come back to the hair once we finish everything, just to give this time to set, especially since we put like Pump It Up and everything on there. Okay, hair is marinating. Now to the makeup. It is gonna be daytime, but we're probably gonna go somewhere after the concert, nighttime. So it's the LMA concert, by the way. So I would kind of wanna be ready for both. Maybe wear something that I can just put a heel on with, or something like that. And I'm doing the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. I'm gonna go in with my powder, the Fenty Beauty powder. Okay, that's that. Gonna try something a little different with my eyebrows today. I'm not gonna go so sculpted a little more natural. So I'm going to draw in with my, I think this is an eyeliner pencil. I'm going to draw in with the pencil and then kind of fill in with my ABH Duo that you guys have definitely seen before in other videos. I think that's good. It feels like I'm doing a lot of stuff I used to do and stop doing. Like, I don't know the last time I used an eyebrow pencil, but I don't hate the results. Also, like I said, I'm not gonna do a full like concealer sculpt. I'm just gonna use the Born This Way concealer, and I'm just gonna go right under my brow bone and on my eyelid. Okay, I went ahead and did the other eye. Not much to see there. Wearing glasses tonight, so I'm not doing like a ton of eyeshadow, but I do want to do a little something. So I'm just using the Morphe by Jaclyn Hill palette, going into Smooth Criminal, and just putting that, it's like a nice warm brown, just putting that right in the crease. I'm just swooping secure over the lid, literally barely doing any eyeshadow. I just don't want to look completely dead if I take my glasses off. Okay, I'm gonna do something else I haven't done forever and just put a little bit of pencil liner on, literally when I say a little bit, like I'm just gonna smudge it in. And it's like a really big eyeliner pencil, so it's like a kohl pencil, so it is made for just kind of smudging in. I'm gonna use the Better Than Sex mascara and just build that up on the lid. I mean on my top lashes. Mixing my Lancome, my Kat Von D. Nothing new here. I really just wanted to do my makeup. I feel like I hadn't done my makeup like in a little while. And I'm also just hyped because we're about to hit 3,000. So I just wanted to kind of like come and talk to y'all, do my makeup. I definitely want to do more like, I don't know, personality, chatting, like I have some videos or some people like who we have full conversations in the comments, and I really love that. So I just want to like, that's how I like to watch videos. When I watch videos, I like to feel like me and my homegirl are doing makeup together, which is crazy because a lot, like I do like to get dressed with music on, but when I'm doing my makeup, I also like to watch other people do their makeup, even if we're not doing the same look. I don't know, it's so weird. It is so weird. Maybe it's not weird though. Maybe that's a thing. I think it's weird, but watch everybody be like, no girl, we watch it too. I don't know. I feel like it helps me focus. It's like I watch the cooking, like I watch Food Network sometimes when I'm cooking, or I act like I'm on like Chopped, or I'll talk to myself when I'm cooking. Who knows? Maybe I'm in the house by myself too much. Okay, I'm trying to blend this out. I think I'm wearing a white shirt, so maybe blending down my neck wasn't the right thing to do. Using the Kat Von D concealer too. I want a real good highlight, strong highlight. So I'm gonna go in with that, and then I'm actually gonna layer the Fenty on top of it. And then I'm gonna blend all of that out. And then once we blend that out, I'm just gonna set it with my Sasha Buttercup. And I might even let it sit for a teeny bit under my eye. Okay, got that. Now I'm gonna go in with the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in, I think it's like dark deep, yes. Just to kind of do like a light contour, nothing crazy. Definitely wanna hit the forehead. Go back in with the same powder we used under the foundation, just to get that jawline popping. Okay, I feel like I'm blowing through this. You know the combination I'm going to do for my blush. NARS Taj Mahal and the MAC in Raisin. Literally, I'm shocked there's anything left in either one of these because I use them every single day. Since I'm kind of dipping into stuff that I haven't done in a while, I'm going to use the ABH Glow Kit. This is Sun Dipped. I have a lot of this left, but I actually love it and I used it a lot, especially when I first got it. So I'm gonna use Braun and Summer So there's so many other random highlighters like mixed in here at this point. As far as on my brush. Oh. I didn't even mean for that highlight to be that popping. I was really trying to go for a subtle highlight. Okay, well, not anymore. And I'm gonna hit the nose. Felt teddy. And we're just gonna spray, and I think we're done with the face. I'm like, that feels like it was record time. That was really fast. Okay, I guess we can go ahead and finish hair. I'll probably put a gloss on, but I kind of like the matte lip right now. Okay, so here's how our bun is right now. So yes, my bun technically is big enough for some people, but I want a bigger bun, and I think I'm gonna do something a little tighter. So the hair I'm using is textured. This is literally like, I can try to find it online and tag it if you guys are interested. This hair is like $7 for this bundle pack situation. I'm gonna take the end of the track and tuck it right against the bun and just pin it. It's gonna be a lot of bobby pins in here, but I'm just gonna take it around and wrap the hair around, and then we'll kind of play with the shape once we get the hair wrapped around. Okay, so I'm just gonna take this last piece and wrap it around. You wanna wrap it nice and tight. And I'm gonna tuck it back here. Sometimes I do these buns with braiding hair. Sometimes I do it with like Marley hair. This is why it's okay that, like, this is why I wet my hair too, so that I can kind of wave up a little bit to match the texture when I use this hair at least. Like if you follow me, the bun I did earlier this week, I used this, which is like braided hair that I just twisted. So just depending on how I'm feeling, what kind of bun I'm going for. So now that this is pinned around, doesn't even have to be super secure. This is gonna kind of be a messy bun, and that's kind of the point. I'm just gonna take it and I play with it a little bit, so I'm just gonna twist it, see what that does. See if I like how that's looking. I think I want it a little bit taller. So yeah, I'm just gonna play with it a little bit and see where we decide we wanna. I did want it a little taller, so I think this might be what I go with. There's literally, it's gonna change every single time. So I'm just gonna kind of pin it in place. Okay, so I think I'm kind of in the area I wanna be. Honestly, I'm gonna play with it a lot more. You see I get like random stray hairs. I usually just tuck them in. That's the good thing with this hair. I like that it's a messy bun whenever I do this style. So it's really no right or wrong way to do this. Okay guys, and then I'm gonna get dressed. Stay tuned for the full outfit. And we'll be done getting ready with me. Okay guys, so here is the final of my hair. Of course, this is literally gonna change throughout the night because I'm gonna keep messing with it and pinning it and moving around. But that is why it's a messy bun. But this is how it came out. Hair is nice and slick, those flyaways. I pump it up, held it down. Little top. I think my makeup looks really good. I'm loving how the highlight turned out, surprisingly. No lashes, I stuck with no lashes, but I think it came out really nice. Be sure to check out my Instagram to see the full outfit, the full look. The sun's out, so I'm about to get some bomb pictures. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Almost to 3,000. Maybe we'll be there by the time I post this. But thank you guys so much for watching again, and I'll see you in the next video.